Oh! Oh!
Yeah! Holy shit, okay, that's cool.
My Asian eyes. Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Ay! Oh. What the frick? What the? Let me up! Let me up! Oh! Slammed into the wall right after.
Ugh. Good idea, I'll call this building the wall.
Oh! Slides. Ow. Oh, oh!
With a building! Dude!
What do you believe would be a good solution to this problem?
Making you slightly faster maybe. How did that not hit me?
I have no idea. It was touching your heels.
Oh!
Well,
Elden Ring bosses.
Oh wait, I'm not helping. And there it is. Your fate has been sealed. There goes your penis.
Grabs his junk and then starts.
I was never book smart, I'm money smart. Make me more
What the?
Oh my god!
Oh!
Baby. No, I'm just gonna follow you.
Okay, bro. Oh. I'm back.
Hello.
Hello.
Why are you vibrating? Am I too?
Wait. When
You're
do I
shaking.
vibrate? What are you, a vibrator? Better hope not.
Can I make your mom feel good?
Make a man grown proud.
You're gonna make a man grow.
What that?
Dude, what? yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Dude,
Oh!
where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is.